Hey scientists, you are with Scientist Diana conducting some experiments today. I grabbed some salt and pepper out of the kitchen, a little bit of cornstarch, you can use flour or sugar instead, and I also have a bottle of water. So I'm going to take my pepper and dump it into a container, and then I'm going to slowly add in water and watch what happens. You may notice that even if I try and mix together the particles, they remain separate. Or I can pull back out some of the pepper. So what I made is a mixture because the two different ingredients did not combine together. Now let's try it with salt. I'm gonna put some salt in a container and then add in some water. I'll use a spoon this time to stir and see what happens. I notice my salt is starting to disappear or dissolve. That means I'm creating a solution because the two ingredients are combining to make another thing, or salt water. This is really good to gargle with if you have a sore throat, by the way. All right, now let's try cornstarch. I'm adding in, oh hi scientist Bridget. I'm adding in some cornstarch and I'm mixing in water, just a little bit at a time. And let's see what I created. Now, this is forming something completely different that looks almost like slime. What it's actually called is Oobleck. And Oobleck is a funny substance because it looks maybe like frosting, but what we call this in science is a colloid because the two ingredients that are combined together stay suspended. What? Yeah. All right, thanks for joining Scientist Diana as we talk about mixtures, solutions, and colloids. You go try, see what you have in your kitchen.